Well, hurricane season is just around the corner. And hurricane forecasters are already looking at what's going on in the Pacific Ocean because that's important. We have something called ENSO, which is La Nina or El Nino going on out there. It usually goes back and forth. Sometimes, though, it gets stuck in the middle. And that stuck in the middle is called the neutral zone. And that's where we are now. We had an El Nino, it kind of moved over to La Nina. That didn't last. We're now in the neutral zone. So what does that mean for hurricanes? Well, first of all, when we have El Nino, there's a lot more wind shear in the main development region. So that tends to cut the top off these hurricanes. When we have La Nina, there's no wind shear, and it really lets the hurricanes blow up and develop really quickly. How about when we're in the neutral zone? Well, it could go either way at that point. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. In this case, what we're looking at in hurricane forecasters, they're already predicting this is going to be a little bit of an active season. So they're thinking that the neutral zone is really not going to have that much of an impact on the season at all. What it will do, though, is kind of open the door to what's going on. And usually the hot spots that get started first, it's the Gulf of Mexico. And right now, the Gulf is really heating up. It's above normal in a lot of spots now. So it's priming itself for the hurricane season. So we've got to keep an eye on the Gulf as we get into the month of June.